Welcome. In front of me is a Spiphone A10 Pro, and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So I'm just gonna start off by locking the device, and you wanna flip it over, and on the bottom left corner, so right here, you'll find a little area where you can put your fingernail and pull off the cover. Now I already pried the cover primarily off, as you can see. And it's only holding on the top, so that's what I'm gonna take off. So once you have taken the cover off, you want to take out the battery. So let's do that, like so. And then you get the access to put in the SIM and SD card. So you can choose either one of these, it doesn't really matter. So then you want to slide in the card. Now for me, I think I just came out a bit, so let me fix that. Let's try that again. So hopefully this time it won't come out. There we go. So you can see it now. Slide in there, and then the SD card goes in here. And all you need to do is put in the battery. And let me put the cover back on so the battery doesn't fall out. And just power back on the battery, or the phone I meant. Yeah, and as you can see, it's looking for service, and there is the SD card. Now it's changed the language automatically to the SIM that it has detected. Gonna select no, and yeah, as you can see, both of them are working, and that is how you insert it. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.